Welcome back. I'm embarking on my journey back to Africa, and I'm just packing my stuffs over here in a good order, and yeah, so that you can see I'm rechecking out. Oh, this is my medicine. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On this video guys, is a sad goodbye. It's a sad news at the sad moments, or emotional. It's like emotional video on this other end, because I'm sad that I'm leaving here, and also I'm happy that I'm going back to Africa, back home. When I say I'm going back home, my home is in Africa. I'm packing my bags tonight, and now I'm going back. So I'm literally heading back. I'm packing my bags over here. As you see, things has been not okay, but things are moving on nicely. That's what I can say on this other end. So really looking forward to the journey. Please pray for me, journey masses, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. So we have to just tie what we have to tie, because where we are heading, I think now where we are heading, it's not easy place, because where we are heading is very it's very far. So I'm sad saying goodbye here. On the other end, it's really great. I'm happy I'm going back home. So let me go take food, then we wanna travel. So yeah, okay brother, bye. Thank you man. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, it has been so nice staying with these people around here in Kuala Lumpur. Now it's time for me to pack my bags and say goodbye to this area. It's very sad. It's very sad. Even if they don't want to see me, they see me like as if I'm confused. But I'm like, oh my god, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I can't imagine I'm really leaving. Oh, sweet home. Just back, go home. But literally we are not going home like really in a bad way. It's only that something happened, and you know, sometimes we have to adhere. Brother, I'm now saying goodbye, bro.
Alright, brother.
Yeah man, see you some days when I come back, okay?
Alright.
Okay, bye. So yeah, he's a good guy. So I'm really heading back to Africa, and yeah, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. We are coming back. We are going to embark back to traveling soon, because I'm going to travel in the African area. And also what happened to me in Hawi, me as a best friend to her, or as a business partner, I have to be near, because that is like suicide, you know. Somebody might think he's doing well, but on the other end she might be feeling the inner pain. So I have to be there. And also a short break for traveling. As I promised you, we are going back. Now I came to just enjoy my last food here, and I'm with my friend here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
Good.
Yeah man, me I just came to say hi and goodbye as I eat my last food here.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
You good?
Wish you best luck.
Yes.
And see you again.
Okay man. I have to eat rice and what we call like rice and beef. Yeah, rice and beef. Rice beef, yeah. And also a juice. How are you?
Good.
You good?
Yes.
What's your name?
Anando.
Eh?
Anando.
Arondo. What's are you happy?
Yeah, happy.
You are very happy.
Yeah, very happy.
How is
You?
job? How is job taking you? Job is nice?
Nice.
Oh, I'm enjoying. Alright. Let me just have, I'm saying goodbye, bro. Oh, but let me have some food and then we can see. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Fine? Okay. Let me just have food over here, and then we wanna see where we are heading. Alright guys, let's see what we can have and then we're gonna move, okay? Yeah, let me wash my hands. These people are so like, why are you leaving? But I have to leave, you know? It's a mandatory that I have to leave. Why not? Why not? let me just eat. Actually, it's not a goodbye, you can say, but I see you again, because I believe we will see each other again. Hey, these guys put rice. Yeah. I do love to eat rice and beef. This is my favorite over here, and we can see what you have. So it's like last supper in Malaysia. Actually, this is the last food I'm having here. Yeah, you can give me which one is best today. You can give me orange. Yeah, orange. Okay, orange juice with this, and then okay. You can say bon appetit. Okay. You can say bon appetit. Just as dig it with our hands this way. Then we can say bon appetit, guys. I'm backing back to Africa. Nice. Just finished my meal. It's like a last supper. I'm having my orange juice over here, and we are saying it's back to Africa. Okay guys, now we are heading, and see how everything. Thank you, brother. Okay, let's see guys, we're going back. Okay bro, thank you. Okay, so we just enjoyed our food. Now it's time for us to go back to Africa. I'll miss, this is the place where we ate. It's called restaurant Long Nadu. It's actually near Mauve Hotel. Hello. It's actually near Mauve Hotel. So it's the journey back to Africa, and we are singing I'm going back home, my home is in Africa, and that's how things are moving on. So let's continue pushing and pulling as we head back. Okay, see you on the other side. I literally miss Kuala Lumpur, I'll miss Malaysia. All right, let's move. Hello, how are you? You good? Just laughing at me. Okay. Goodbye Kuala Lumpur. Goodbye Kuala Lumpur. See you in Africa. Kuala Lumpur has been so nice, guys, and in terms of tourism, I can say it's leading. It's the city which is leading in tourism. In terms of best nightlife, it's Kuala Lumpur, Bukit Bintang, and also in terms of best street food, also it's this place, Jalang Arol, you know, on this area. Also it's we can say it's a metropolitan area, because we have different people from different countries who invest here, you know, who have really invested here. And yeah, I'm also Indians, we have Chinese, we have Africans like Claude here. So yeah, I'm encouraging you to come and pay a visit here. I'm going to document this journey up to Africa, so make sure you don't miss even a single. Make sure you watch till to the end, and leave a sweet comment. What do you think about, and which was the best video for you in Malaysia? Okay, this is the area itself. You said Bukit Bintang. Now we'll be heading downwards to the train, and then we'll be heading to Pasasani. From Pasasani to KL Central, then we'll be heading to amazing place. Let's go. It's just another day in Kuala Lumpur. Now we're saying it's just the last day in Kuala Lumpur. You know, we have to do this from here. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay. It's English by token to Pasasani. Okay. pass. Oh my god. What am I doing? Buy token.
Go tak boleh top up.
Yeah.
Tak boleh top up.
Here. Then we put this. We put money. Oh. Okay, we will put money here. Confirm. Then I'm confused. Where do we put the other money? Is it here? Yeah, I think it has gone. Oh, good. Okay. We already have it, guys. Let me keep my change on my coins and we keep on proceeding. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Let's continue going. We go to Pasasani, then from there to KL. We'll buy a new one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's head on the other side. This is the train station, and sometimes you have to be more vigilant while looking this. You go to platform 2 for Sadamansang. Sometimes guys, when I see myself, hey, this thing is going faster. It's going fast. You know? Sometimes I don't even believe myself, like, oh my god, is this me who am really traveling in other people's country like no man's business with no tour guide? I'm like, oh my god. But it's by the grace of God. I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys because you are the people who make me feel better, you know, people who make me feel better and great. I have no hurry, guys, you know, no hurry in Africa. You see, if it's made to be, it will go. There's no hurry in Africa. Now this is no hurry in this other side. Actually, they're boarding this. Okay. It's closing its doors. Okay, we made it, guys, on this other end. Okay. We are just exiting here. We are in Pasasani, so everybody is exiting and everyone is exiting, so we have to go upstairs on the other side. This is Pasasani. Okay. We're going up. Here it's up, down, until the other side. You know? Okay, let's head we see. So this is literally the way out the other side. So after reaching here, I'll just go up again on this other side. We wanna see what we go on the other end. Using this side to go up. It's another way out now. The ground, the upper side of the ground on this other end. It's a beautiful place actually. Yeah. Now we are heading on this side. We go up again. So yeah, let's board in here on this other side now. They're exiting as we board. Okay. This other side for what we call like the train, the airport. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's head downwards. This is still in the other side of the train. We haven't yet checked even to the flight. But it looks like an airport still. But it's nice. It's a developed country, literally. So let's go using this one. Hey, I'm tired of jumping here. Literally doing this all to avoid taxi bills. You know, I'm avoiding taxi bills because a taxi can take you to 250 or 300, 250 to 300 for you to do what we call like to just do what we call like go. Let me see. Oh, okay, it's closed. Denied access. I have to pay, you know, so I added 50 cents so that I wanna move now. Okay, so I have to add 50 cents to buy a token over here. Okay, thank you. So by doing this, just open now. Okay, so thank you. So let's go book now a train also to another train to to what we call like to the bus station, no, to the airport. Why am I confused? Is it because of the nervous excitement, sadness? Yeah, so we are heading to the other side. Actually, this connection I'm avoiding to do what we call like due to bills, taxi bills. So I have to go to KL Central Station. I was told the bus is kind of cheap also, but the bus, due to traffic jam sometimes, it might delay me, so it's better I go one way with the express speed bulletproof like a bullet train. So yeah, let's go to the airport. See you there. To tap with your Visa card, then it will be 20% off because I had no money now. Okay.
No, I'm in a hurry.
Oh, it's open. Thank you.
I have to put my bag in.
So let's see. Oh, we're heading on the other side. So I've been told using your card, it's 20% off, in which I'm not quite sure. And using cash, because I had remained with 50, and that 50 can be a souvenir. So let me go with it. Okay. I just arrived, and the train just arrived, so I have to dash in before. Hey, this is now a favor. No waiting today. Today, no waiting, no waiting, no waiting. Okay. This other side. Let me say no waiting now. I have to sit and see how I'll just move on the other end. Okay. Okay, guys. How are you? Ah, okay.
You can put your bag over here.
Okay. I'll put my bag here and we can see.
You're gonna be there?
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Everything will be alright now. Okay. So we are here at Terminal 1. So we have to see what we are going on around, and we will go and we'll see how everything will be. Alright. Approximately 30 minutes or half an hour. We are here in Terminal 1. Yeah. Let's embark here for Terminal 1. Everyone is looking for the lift over there to just how to move on this other end to Terminal 1. Alright. Great, amazing. Airport over here, and we are heading upwards for the departure. So on this other end, you know, while we are here, you should be more careful and more vigilant on reading the signboards, because if you don't read your signboards, you'll end up, you know, going to another place which is not necessary, and you'll be wasting time. So it's better you read as you move on the other side. In initial, guys, we are saying goodbye to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It has been so nice country. It has treated me well. Actually, I can say so. I can't complain about this place. What I recommend to you is to pay a visit each and every single day. You feel at home. Malaysians are very, 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 very friendly. You know. So let's wait and see what's going on around on this other end. Okay, let's look where we are heading. Okay, let's see. Terminal 1C. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is why you see how every people. I guess this is it. If our country is back in Africa, we can just do the same way we are doing here. It will be better. Actually, traveling in other continent like in Asia, it's very, very, very cheap. Like you can get a flight of $20, $18 from one place to another, from one country to another country. Just imagine. But in Africa, they charge you $300, $200, and you'll be like, oh, let's see. Okay, departures. Let me see. Oh, we are looking for our flight. Then we wanna check in. Actually, I came here very early because I don't want to, you know, to miss my flight. Let's see. I just confirmed, so I have to look for my row, and there is where I'll be heading on the other end, and things will be moving on so nicely and greatly on the other end. So let's check and see, and things will be so nice. Hey, close your bag. It's up. It's unzipped. Yes. Okay, you can see how everything will be on the other side. Okay. People travel here, guys. It's not a joke. It's no joke. People travel, and I think also the reason why it's cheap is because there's a lot of people traveling. And in Africa, people tend to be like, oh, I can't travel because it's expensive. So because why am I traveling now? I think that's the reason why they end up hyping the price, I guess so. But in Asia, every single day people are traveling. That's the reason why you'll be able to see it's kind of cheap to travel in Asia compared to other places. Alright guys, let's see how things will move on, and we can see. Okay guys, I was in the airport. I thought I was the only person who came here very early. I met another friend of mine, a brother from Africa. Hey bro, how are you?
Yeah, fine, I'm good.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Musa. I'm from Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana.
Yep.
Hey, Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah.
Some days
Kwame Nkrumah. You know Kwame Nkrumah. Wow.
I'm a Pan-African.
Oh, yeah, of course. But a lot of people doesn't know Kwame Nkrumah.
Most people doesn't know Kwame Nkrumah.
Because you know.
Yeah, he's a hero to me. He's a hero to me.
Not even to African.
Yeah,
because you have done a lot to African.
Yeah.
And
why are you so early?
My God. You know I have a problem.
Which problem?
I have a problem because last time I missed my flight, so I decided to, you know, come early, because when, you know, as people say, when you see a snake bite you, even you see a
mosquito,
even you see a fly, you know, you have to run away.
You have to run away.
So
yes,
that's why I came early. Actually, my flight is 11.
Yeah, same
so
like mine. Yeah.
So I decided to come more early so that I can protect myself. So if any problem, at least, you know. So
nice. Actually, Musa gave me a story that that cracked my ribs. I was like, man, what time did you come? I was like, I came here very early, like 3 hours before now, because now I think it's almost 6, right? 7.
No, it's almost 7.
It's almost 7, and he came 3 hours back.
Yeah.
So to me, you were here at 2.
Yeah, I'm here around 4.
Around 4.
4. So just imagine, can you imagine?
And the flight is
11. So how many hours? So almost about 8 hours.
Waiting
just
here.
Waiting here is much better for me. You know,
yes.
It's much better.
You know, sometimes when I tell my people that I'm rushing to the airport, and when they ask me what time is your flight, I tell them 2 hours from
2
now
hours.
or 3 hours
3
from
hours,
now.
yeah.
They're like, why are you so early? I
So
tell them,
early, yeah.
if one day you'll miss a flight, you'll know the
You know the reason
the
why.
reason why.
People, you have to go more early. You know, so if you don't have that kind of problem, you feel like, oh, it's like just
okay.
a normal, it's all normal, you know. But when you have a problem like that, bro, it's too damn crazy, you know. So it was last 3 days, so it makes me like, wow. Even I'm here, nothing to do.
And you're near the gate. You want to be
I'm
the
near
first
gate.
person.
I want to be the first person.
I came here and he was like, hey bro, where are you going? Which flight? I told
Because
him.
I saw you, and I know
This
that
guy-
we are using this
the same flight.
The same flight. So I just want to see what do you want to do first. So after you come back,
I was like,
that's why.
I was like, okay,
Yes,
we are
okay.
together now.
Because I know you are going to Africa.
Yeah.
And I know also your flight also is around 11.
11, yeah.
So
You were like, okay, let that guy come now. What can you tell people about Asia? You have been in this Malaysia area.
Malaysia is a very nice country, and then they are very lovely country.
Yes.
So, but actually, you know, living here as
Yes.
a African
Yes.
to get a better life
Yes.
is quite difficult.
It's quite difficult.
For me, what I experienced, because
Oh.
I'm here almost about 15, 14 years.
Wow, 15,
Yes.
14 years.
So I have a Malaysian wife. And then
Wow, man.
Yeah.
With me, I've been here 1 month and I'm like,
1 month. That's why I asked you, why are you so fast? You are going back because I can also, you know, speak their language.
Oh, you
and
can
then-
speak Malay?
Oh yeah, of course.
oh,
So-
Salamat Datang.
Selamat datang.
Hey.
Nama apa?
No,
What's
it's
the name?
It's a
You
name.
say, I see.
I say it's Claude Joseph.
All right. Okay,
Ah,
Jesse,
yeah,
Jesse,
yeah,
nice to
yeah,
meet
yeah,
you.
yeah.
So,
Eh.
Malaysia is a very nice country, and there is a very beautiful country. You know. So as I said earlier on, as an African,
Yeah,
you know, to come here to get a better life, it will be very difficult.
absolutely.
Yes, very damn difficult because
Aye,
we
man.
face a lot before we reach
On this
where-
other side, yeah,
So
for
can you imagine? So as I stay after
15 years?
years,
Now,
and then for me, I can consider life is alhamdulillah is much better for me. But
Okay.
if you compare the majority of people
Yeah.
here, it's quite difficult for them.
Oh,
It's not
okay.
like Europe, and then it's
Okay.
not easy to get a permit.
a permit or working
You know,
permit.
working permit or whatever access to stay here. So you have to be illegal, and then the worst thing is you
Yeah.
cannot get any job to do.
Oh,
You understand me?
But
So
now
have
you are
to-
lucky. You have a wife here. Now I know now the marriage will just connect. Now you have a
No,
passport
because
here.
no.
Why?
They won't give you a passport.
Why?
No, that is their their law.
Oh,
They can give you until permanent resident.
Oh,
And then
permanent.
permanent resident also is not easy to
To
get
get.
it.
Oh
You
my
know, some
God.
they are here more than 35 years.
But they have never.
They never. You
Eh.
understand me? Even they marry, they have children, and even their grandchildren.
But
Their
not
children can get even their grand, but you particular, because you're from Africa.
Oh, okay, you
You
cannot.
understand me?
I
So
understand.
no matter how, you cannot get. That is their law.
What? Guys,
So you can
yeah.
just imagine your children all can get passport and
Eh.
everything,
But you- no.
you are still using your
African
African.
Your kids are named, so even like you're traveling with your kids here, they are showing Malaysian.
Malaysian passport,
You are
and then you
showing-
say you Africa. That's good.
Ah, you see your kids going there, you'll be held
kids
beside.
That's how, but it's quite a very nice country.
Yeah.
Very peaceful country.
Absolutely.
Very beautiful country. So we love to stay because I stay here as my home,
Oh,
as
yeah.
my second home.
Oh,
I feel
yeah.
more comfortable.
Yes.
And then as I am a Muslim, and
Yeah.
then Malaysia also is
Yeah.
a Muslim
It's a
country.
Muslim country,
So
yeah.
I feel more comfortable. You
yeah.
know, and then I can pray at any time,
Oh,
anywhere.
anywhere.
It's not difficult for me. For me, that's
Yeah.
what I said. But
For the people who want to be paying a visit in Malaysia, maybe some 2 or 3 words for them who want to be willing, like, because they have heard about how Malaysia is. Now, like, how are you encouraging people who maybe like tourists like me, maybe other people who will be watching this video and will be like, oh man, I want to come to Malaysia as a tourist. What can you recommend to them?
Actually, you know, tourist as a tourist is a tourist. You understand me?
Yeah.
It depends how your mind, because you are just coming for holidays.
Absolutely.
So you just feel like, okay, I choose Malaysia to come to holidays.
Yeah.
So it's like just a normal country.
Absolutely.
Like how every country or any country that you want to come for holidays, you know. So it's
Oh.
nothing much more.
Oh.
Holidays is a holidays. It's up
Wow.
to your You know,
pockets.
How
How heavy your
How
pocket?
heavy? Because we are not coming to stay here.
Oh, yeah,
But the main problem is, as I said, if you as an African coming here to make a better life,
Yes.
so it will be very difficult.
Difficult.
But holidays, you can come here.
You can come and enjoy.
I'm sure you enjoy.
I enjoyed.
living here.
Went to Langkawi.
Langkawi, so many beautiful
Bukit
countries.
Bintang.
Bukit Bintang. You can see so many things. KLCC.
KLCC.
You know, Chinatown.
Man.
You know, you feel like wow. Nobody harass
The
you.
pavilion.
Pavilion. You know.
It's just like nightlife. It's
you
so
know,
nice.
And then everything you can just walk around. Nobody will attack you.
Yeah,
Nobody can
absolutely.
disturb you.
Very
Nobody.
peaceful.
You know, until you do whatever you want to do and go back.
Absolutely.
Because you are coming for holidays.
For holidays.
So you don't feel like you are coming here to stay.
To stay,
find money.
no.
So it will be very difficult for you.
Oh, guys, for those who will be like, hey, Claude, go and look for a job here. That's why
No.
no, it's
No,
like,
please. No, I said
Don't.
no, don't try. Because it's not easy. Unless you are coming for maybe the company
The
already,
company, yeah.
or you have for, something like that. But you are
Okay.
coming as an African,
As an
just coming
African,
to, even
Enjoy
here
life.
you cannot seek for asylum. No.
Why?
Yes, that is their law.
Eh,
Yeah, so everything here is like, it's like you are coming to
the law
sorry
is
to say-
very high.
Yes, they are very straightforward.
Wow.
Even I mean, sorry to say,
Yeah.
like maybe your entry,
Yes.
they give you maybe 1 month to stay here, and
Yeah.
then suddenly maybe
overstay. Yeah.
So you cannot just go and pay.
No.
No, they will arrest you.
What?
That is their law. That is their.
You have to follow the protocol.
You have to follow the protocol and
Fill
go to
the
your
form.
embassy, and then just give you, a lot of things to follow them, and then you go to immigration and then pay before you come to fly.
Fly.
But you cannot just say, oh, because of, I have money. They don't care about your money. Even they need money,
But they don't care about your money. You have to follow the
follow
protocol.
the protocol. You have to follow the law.
Oh my God.
You understand?
No
So
wonder I
that's
have
how-
to fly out very early. I don't want the problems.
Yeah, so it's,
Yeah. Mhm.
Malaysia, I love Malaysia.
I love Malaysia too,
I love
yeah.
Malaysia. You see, you are here,
I'm
and then
here,
you
you are-
feel very comfortable.
Very comfortable, man. I can
you know,
maneuver
you
anywhere.
can move more everywhere. you
Greet
want to
the
go.
police, tell
you
the
can see
police.
one of our sister is here.
Oh, she's
And I
here.
know
Oh,
she's also going to Africa. I'm
yeah,
sure.
yeah. She's using
I'm
Uganda.
sure
She's going to.
You know,
yeah, yeah.
whenever you see any black skin,
That is
you know
Africa.
it's Africa. You understand me? I know she's going to
Yeah,
Africa.
yeah,
so
yeah.
That's how
yeah.
life is.
Okay, guys, thank you so much, and thank you so much, Mr. Musa.
Yep.
And I really appreciate for your journey that you have told us how everything is. You have educated us, and also there's those who will be watching, like, oh, now I never knew about Malaysia. Now I know what to do when I come into Malaysia. So pay much attention. It's the journey back to Africa. I'm with Musa over here, and things are moving on so nicely. Thank you so much, Musa,
Okay.
and see you in Africa.
All right.
All
sure.
right.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I just finished checking on the other side of the other beautiful area. Now I'm heading to my gate, and we wanna see how everything is now. Things will be so much amazing. I'm so much happy. I'll see you in Africa. So let's get lost and we'll see how stuff might be on the other end. So we keep on pushing. Let's keep on pushing, because they usually say when a cow breaks its leg in the grazing zone, it's just limp up to its place where it sleeps, to the pen or to the den. So it's same way to Claude Joseph. Now I think she's enjoying. One leg is broken now. I have to go to what you call like back in the den or back in the pen, and when I reform back nicely, I'll be back to traveling. But soon, remember, we keep on traveling. I told you I was going for 1 month, but to South Africa, but things changed the way we flew to this area again. So we're going back home for a short little bit. Maybe we can see 1, 2, 3 around, maybe traveling in Africa, then we can continue. Okay, let's see. Let's head downwards. Keeping my blue passport, because sometimes if you don't keep your blue passport, so let's head down to the other side. Wow, this is the airport. Very nice. Okay guys, let's head, and we're gonna be stamped off, and we say bye 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 bye. Okay, see you on the other side. So guys, I just finished everything. I'm literally on this other end, so it's time now for Claude to go to board. I'm going to board now. Let me check these stuffs over here. You see, it's going on its own technology, on this own, and then we're gonna see. All right guys, let's go now. Have a fully check-in now, searching area. Okay guys, my guys, the happy boy is happy boy coming back home. Mama, I'm coming back home. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Brother, the excitement of being back home. How are you?
Good, man.
You good?
He's coming home.
Yeah, I'm going home. What's your name?
Aldo.
Aldo. Where are you from?
Australia.
Oh, Australia. Oh, nice.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Kenya, Africa.
Oh, Kenya?
Yeah.
How long were you in Malaysia?
1 month.
1 month?
Yeah. But
you ever
since January, I've never been home.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So I'm so excited.
Oh, that's good. Where did you go before Malaysia?
I was traveling in African countries like South Africa.
Ah, and then you went to Malaysia?
Yeah, and then I came to Malaysia. But let me go home for a short break. Yeah. Right guys, yeah, we're going to see. Oh, okay. See how everything is. How was Malaysia with you?
Malaysia is good. Only been here for 5 days
Oh.
for work, but yeah, I wish I could stay longer there.
Oh, yeah, it's so nice, right?
So I think 1 month is really good. How long is the flight from here to Kenya?
Plus layovers is 18 hours.
18 hours?
Yeah, 18.
So where do you lay over?
I have 1 hour in Singapore, 4 hours in Ethiopia.
Oh,
Yeah. Then I arrive home.
wow.
Yeah.
That's a long.
It's a long flight. It's like going to the US.
There's still a long flight ahead.
Anyways, guys, let's see how things will move on the other end. Yeah. And things will move so nicely, and going back home now. See you. I met this now. Look. Yeah. Hi. Hey. A B C. Let's see. Let's see. C. Where is the C? C. Let's see. Oh. C20. You have to maneuver faster, and I'll literally see you in Africa. This chair, if you don't pay, you cash only. You sit on this and it massages you. It will massage you comfortably. Can I try it? Let me try it. You're not trying it sometimes. It will make noise. Why you not massaging? Look at that guy. It's being massaged. Hey. Hi. Okay. I'll pay some days and then you'll vibrate for me. Okay. Let's continue going on this other end. Okay. Okay guys, I'll sit on that chair and I forget I miss a flight. Hey, I'll walk up to Africa. Okay. Guys, we are now literally boarding. As you see now, we are heading to our area over here, and yeah, heading to our side. You can see. Hello, thank you. This side. Okay, thank you. Let's see, guys. I'm heading on this other end. 36. Heading to about 36. So we are heading here, and we are really boarding. So let me board and I'll give you a quick tour of how everything will be around here as we move on this other end. Finally, we saying goodbye. We're coming home. We are coming home. Home, 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 sweet home. You know. Have you ever noticed that in a flight they don't have seat number 13? You know, in a flight they don't have seat number 13. If you are so much keen about it, in a flight they don't have seat number 13. How are you, bro?
This place smells bad. I don't like it.
Why? Oh, I'm here, I think. Let me see, brother. Oh,
How are you, bro?
I'm fine. Hi, how are you? Okay. Let's see how everything is. Let's see. Oh, 35. Oh, 36. Oh, C36. C36 over there. Let's go and see. Yeah. look, let's see. How is it? Oh, mine is 20L. Oh, yes, brother. I'm going to 20L over there. I confused the seat with the gate.
Ah, my man, what's up?
It's a confusion, bro. Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh. Yes, you know the crazy thing in this flight is I confused the gate with the seat. So let me see where I am. 26L. Hi, how are you, brother? Yeah. Hey, 26L over here. I guess now, okay, brother, I'm back. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I got my window seat over here, and let's see you in another country. We're going to Singapore, then from Singapore to Addis Ababa. Cross fingers for your village boy over here, and we wanna see babe is finally here. Okay, guys, we arrived in Singapore, and we are in Singapore now. We have to alight down. We go some little checking in again, a new checking in to this side, then we wanna see how everything is. So welcome to Singapore. At least I'll just step my foot in Singapore and I'll say welcome officially to Singapore. Let's see. Lazima tuchukue vitu zetu. Acha tushuke bana. Hata nikanyage Singapore. Naonaga tu tunaitishwa mavisa. Mavisa za huko bana. Natamaningi tu niingie huko. Tuone venye Singapore kuna kaga. Let's go see how Singapore.
Siwe tunarudi, siwe tuachie.
Haya, mambo tuachie tu tukae hapa, si ndio?
Ngacha hata tuache mabagi.
They tell us guys to pick everything over here. So, let me pick my bag. At least they could have told us, you know. Welcome to Singapore, guys. Let's see what Singapore offers to us. You know, at least God has a purpose. Let me step my foot in Singapore. Maybe next time I'll come in to Singapore, then to the other side. You know? Next time in Singapore, right? Yeah, yes, manifest. Exactly. He's my friend from Kenya, actually. We met here. And yeah, that's how everything is. Let me be ready to step Singapore. Hey. Will I even step Singapore's land? Anything will be nice. Let me just check if I'll be able. Thank you. Yeah. We are looking Singapore in a pack. Hey. Right? We are here, guys. Let's try see what things are on the other end. Thank you. Singapore now in a day. Let's see Singapore airport. Show you. you Singapore airport. Welcome, welcome, welcome. At least now I can give a testimony that I was once in Singapore and things went on another way around. So I can't complain on this other end. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Whoa, wow, man! Welcome to Singapore. It feels fresh and alive. Huh? Singapore. Thanks, wings. Yeah?
Marango ya pili Avian Airlines.
Na mwisho
Tena.
mbona imekaa basi nganya za Nairobi.
Boarding, harufu za mat.
He's saying he'll never ever board the Ethiopia again. But it is what it is, guys. Ban. Singapore. Okay, at least we're in Singapore and I've given you a short tour of this. Let's see how it's going again on that end. Alright. At least I'm in Singapore. At least I'm in Singapore and I can give you a quick tour of this. I stepped in Singapore and
Okay.
this just dropped his stuff over the head. Maybe some days we wanna come back to Singapore, but I wished one day I could just step in Singapore. Now we are here. We are here, Singapore. Some days we wanna come and we wanna be appreciating your love and support. And I'm having my friend from Ghana.
Yeah, that's me, Musa.
Yeah, Musa.
Yeah, Musa.
You know Musa is a Swahili name. Musa is a Swahili name.
Okay. What does it mean?
Means Moses.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Musa is a Swahili name, means Moses. Yeah. All right, guys. This is Singapore airport. Wow, it's really nice. I'm looking for the washrooms, but it's like they are closed. What do you think about this airport?
Yeah, this airport is a very nice airport. It's a very simple, but it's very straight.
Very straight.
Very straight.
No corner.
No corner.
This is Singapore, guys.
This is Singapore. This is all about Singapore.
It is all about Singapore. No jokes.
Yeah.
Straight and clean. Look, guys. Look at the airport. Look. Well, amazing. Clean and nice. End of travel letter. Okay. We arrived in Singapore, and this Singapore airport. As you see, we just sat here very comfortably. It's very clean, and I'm surprised with usually how this airport is. It has a sponge like, I'm tempted to touch. I'm tempted to touch this, Papa.
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
This is really very fantastic.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
And clean too.
Terrible clean. Very clean.
How do you feel the seat?
The seat also very comfortable.
You feel like a millionaire.
I was thinking that this for high
VIP
classes.
But it's like for us,
Yeah,
we are
but
here.
for everybody.
Yeah, it's for everybody. Actually, guys, this is it. Actually, we are here, and this is Singapore. Actually, the airport, 10 over 10. 10 over 10. When I say 10 over 10, it's 10 over 10. You'll sit here sometimes, you find yourself the flight has already gone.
Yeah.
And
If you relax so much.
yeah, when you relax so much, actually. Yeah. All right, guys, I'll give you more thrilling journey around here, and wanna see how everything is around. See. It's time to board. As you see, we are boarding now. We are going to board. But one thing I'm surprised with Singapore is it's really clean and amazing. Very, very, very cool. Singapore is no joke, guys. No joke around here. Okay. See you. Second boarding.
Second board.
Yeah, second boarding. Same place?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the boarding pass.
Okay guys, we are here and okay. Okay.
Yeah, you know, sir.
Okay. Let's see guys. We can go on the other end. Second boarding. Okay, bye. Guys, we are exiting now. It's final time to say goodbye to Ethiopia. I'm heading to this other side, the beautiful, greatest area. Oh man, it's so nice. It's the greatest early morning over here, and it's so nice area. We're finally saying goodbye to Ethiopia. Oh, it has been so nice. You see, very great. Bye bye. Say goodbye. See you in Kenya very soon. Guys, we just arrived. We are in Ethiopia now. We are in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, and we'll be having a layover of 4 hours. Then from here we'll be heading to Nairobi, Kenya for a short while. Then we want to see how we'll be moving on the other side, how we'll be maneuvering. I'm really tired. Oh man, this is the longest journey ever, you know. So let's wait and see how everything is around. Exiting all Pinto. We are exiting or exiting. We are exiting over here, heading downwards now. Hey. It has been so great and amazingly. Thank you. Okay. So it has been so greatly. Hey. Even look at my legs, I'm swollen. I just decided to take off my shoes. Oh, let's head back. We are in Ethiopia and we wanna see what's going on around of this other end. We wanna see how everything is around. It has been so nice and amazingly. We are now in Africa, the fresh air. You're feeling it on this other end. At least we are near home. At least we are near home. You can feel it now on this other end. Welcome officially in Africa, and we are in Addis Ababa airport over here. The new spirit of Africa. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning from the beautiful Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Over here now, it's time. We have been here for 4 hours as a layover. Now it's time for us to board back to the other side in Kenya. As you see on the other side, it tells you Nairobi, Kenya. Oh my God, I've stayed in this country for 4 hours. That's Ethiopia. So it's time for me now to just cruise around also. So I'll be waiting and see what's going on around on the other side. The journey has been so long, 18 hours plus. It has been so crazy. Let's see. Guys, we are exiting now. It's final time to say goodbye to Ethiopia. I'm heading to this other side, the beautiful, greatest area. Oh man, it's so nice. It's the greatest early morning over here, and it's so nice area. We're finally saying goodbye to Ethiopia. Oh, it has been so nice. You see, very great. Bye. Say goodbye. See you in Kenya very soon. The pyramid Rolls-Royce. You see? Rolls-Royce. The big one. Hello. Yeah. It's the Rolls-Royce. Hey. Yeah. having big Airbus here, guys, you know. Very very big one. Okay, let's see. Let's go, guys. Morning. Thank you. Okay guys, let's see how we're going and showing the other stuff of this area. This plane has big, even big engine, as you see on the other end. It's very big, very big and huge. It's called the Rolls-Royce. Ethiopia for you. So guys, we're just here and we boarded, so wanna see you in Kenya. Yeah, thank you for your prayers. Now cross fingers for me. So we are going to travel now from Ethiopia to Kenya. On the other side. It's a very nice plane actually. As I told you guys, actually Ethiopia usually have best flights like this. It's called the Rolls-Royce flight. It's actually, I think it's a new boarded flight over here. It's one of the top class, I can say so. And despite that, we came with another one which was kinda not good, but Ethiopia actually have best flights, and also it aids us as travelers who travel around because it has affordable prices for people who travel around. So as you see also on this other end, aside from this side. Very good. It came for food time, guys. We ordered this was actually there was chicken, and there's two options between chicken and fish. I had chicken, fish over here, and also wine. It's white wine. Yeah, I had wine over here, and yeah, everybody's just enjoying his or her own dish in his own way over here. So I'm so tired, and I'm really like, wow, what time am I going to arrive home, you know, in my country actually, you know. So hopefully everything is so nice, everything is really great. And of course, always actually tell you, when you pay a visit in Africa, the only affordable price of a flight here is Ethiopian airline to travel around. And I'm not like trying to say my Kenya Airways is bad, but it's because it has a lot of, you know, there's a lot of things here and there. But my country also is good in terms of flights, but in Africa it's very expensive. But we have this flight, Ethiopian airline. It's one of the one which helps most of Africans to travel around. Alright guys, we are waiting here. We are almost let's see the time. We can check our flight and actually we had just remaining with a few minutes to what we call like let's see, in 3D. We have remained with a few minutes to arrive to our destination over here, where we are really heading, you know. So we left Addis Ababa, now we are heading to Kenya, Nairobi, over here. Addis Ababa to Kenya, Nairobi, and the time of arrival will be very near. Alright guys, see you. After I'm here, I want to travel around here with to here, Mombasa, to this side of Tanzania. You can go back to Rwanda, Burundi, Sudan. That will be so great on this other end. See you guys.
This is from the flight deck. We have started our descent to Nairobi, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and we will be landing in the next 25 minutes. Our estimated arrival time at Nairobi is 5 minutes to 1 p.m. local time. Weather at Nairobi is pleasant with ground temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you for flying with us and have a nice day.
have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bins as some baggage may have shifted during the flight. If you require any assistance, please remain in your seat.
Hey, niko airport, nataka niende Mombasa sasa. Naenda kwa nyumba yangu ya Mombasa kwanza nirekebishe vitu kidogo. Anapigia kidogo, anapigia. So, what's up guys? We are really back home. Air fresh, actually you feel so fresh and amazing. Welcome back to JKA, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Arrival. I think I have to use this man. Hey bro, karibu bana. Umefika? Wagwan bro. Karibu nyumbani. Nilikalishwa na mama mwingine huko bana. Hata sikuwagombeza. Junior tu nimetoka, awechukua window seat. Nikamwambia haya sawa. But bora tumefika Kenya. Mzee. Welcome bro. Gani lazima tuile sasa. Yeah. Chukua namba yangu sasa. Guys, we are in Kenya and this is how Kenya looks like. Plus 07 58 143 105. Yeah, I don't know kila sehemu. Claude. Yeah, Claude Malaysia. Guys, actually watakuwa wengi. Hey guys, we arrived in Kenya actually. It's slapping different. So we'll see what is going on around and we wanna see how everything is. We arrived in Kenya safely. Let's go and we see how everything is. Unaona sisi wa Kenya bwana. Mimi nilitoka Kenya miaka 2 iliyopita. Nilipotea. Guys, let's see how everything is around and we can just check and we have some nice amazing things over here. My country. Let's try and see. They're asking for yellow fever. Let's see. Now guys, I just arrived in Kenya. I arrived home. I'm coming home. Tell everyone that I'm coming home. Yeah. This is my home, Nairobi, Kenya. We are here guys and I want to say thank you so much for each and every person who will be just a visit to my country through this lens. So there's more that I'm gonna be going to show you around here and things will be moving on so nicely and greatly. So let me go. I know there are people waiting for me outside. Let's go see. There are a lot of people waiting for me outside, including me and Harry. Let's go see. Yeah. Let's go out guys. Oh, this is our area over here. Let's go out. Our area here. Let's go. Okay. Wow. I'm feeling the fresh air from outside now in my own country, Kenya. And things are moving on so nicely and greatly. Let me see where these people are from this other end of the greatest area. And we want to see where they are on this other amazing area. Okay. I want to check. Actually, I mean, how you want to come and pick me from this side? Telling you, home is home. Hey, home is home. I'm telling you, home is home. Even if it looks. Hi, how are you? Oh, no, it's okay. Thank you. It's home is home. I'm telling you, even if it's how, man. Home is home. Yes, I'm seeing Minhawi somewhere here with a big flower. Oh, I'm surprised. I'm seeing her with a big flower, but she hasn't yet seen me. So I wanna go behind her. To see what's going on. I'll surprise her from behind here. She hasn't yet seen me. Oh, come on, I got you. You guys just look how just like everybody, all eyes are on you. All eyes are on you. Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Oh my god, like you scared me the shit out of me, like, oh my god. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm good.
Missed you.
I missed you too.
Oh my god.
Wait. Guys, I was actually expecting front of that set. Welcome.
Thank you.
Wow.
For the first time, guys.
You're still crying. Hi. Wow. This is nice.
Tears of joy.
Tears of joy. Your friend is here. John, remember him?
How are you?
What?
Niko fiti.
Eh, umenishtua. Welcome.
Yeah, big and good.
I don't like being scared. Like, hey, welcome back. He's teary.
No, come on.
Always crying, always teary all the time. Welcome back.
I'm fine.
Oh my god.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
How are you? I'm good. Great. Yeah. How is everything?
Guys,
Guys,
he
this
is
is John.
here.
Yeah.
Doesn't happen.
They don't understand
They
it
don't
will happen to
understand,
them some
yeah.
days. But I'm
So,
sorry for what happened.
It's okay. Thank you.
Almighty
so much.
God will keep all his strength. You're a
Yeah.
strong woman, iron lady.
Very much.
Thank you so
Very
much.
strong.
All right.
So thank you so much, guys. So let's go. Time to go.
Hey, my flower, just put it in the pot.
You have a pot? You have a pot somewhere?
I'll buy a pot and water inside it. All right.
Buy a pot. Okay, guys. Let's go. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you so much. Okay. Yes, this is our airport over here in Kenya, actually, in the Terminal
Can I
A
help you with the
arrivals.
bag or something?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're a lady.
I'm a lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys,
Introduce yourself for the new subscribers.
okay, guys, my name is Minhawi.
Yes.
I came to bring my business partner, my friend, my amazing human being here.
Yes.
Like, I love him so much.
Yes.
And I'm so happy that he's back. Last time we were in South Africa, it's like over 2 months.
Yeah,
we were in South
yeah.
Africa together.
Yeah.
And I left him crying. So, and he's still crying. You know, he's always crying.
I can't wait to go road trips with you. I can't wait.
You want us to do road trips?
Actually.
For real?
We're gonna do a lot,
Yeah,
road
a
trips.
lot of them.
Yeah.
So,
Alright,
I
and
think-
also we're having John. John,
Hello,
introduce
John.
yourself, John. John is also a YouTuber.
Hello guys,
Yes.
my name is John.
Yes.
You can check me by the name John Maidia.
Yes.
Yeah, you get me there.
John
Subscribe,
Maidia.
John Maidia.
Alright. Okay guys, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to John Maidia and everything will be really nice and great around here. And so happy to be back in Kenya. And please expect more videos coming up, guys, from this end. And kindly subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment. I'm back home, man. Thank you and expect more videos. Bye. Road to 30,000 subscribers.